In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Elementor page your home page. Whether you're new to WordPress or simply looking for ways to enhance your website, this tutorial will guide you step by step, ensuring that your homepage reflects your brand and style using Elementor, a powerful page builder. Let's dive right in. We're starting by creating and designing your page. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, look for the Pages section on the left-hand side and click on Add New. This is where your journey to a stunning homepage begins. Now, it's time to think about a suitable title for your page. It can be as simple as Home or something that aligns with the personality of your website. Once you've decided on a title, go ahead and publish the page. After publishing, you're ready to take it to the next level by clicking Edit with Elementor. This is when the fun happens. Elementor allows you to design your homepage content visually, offering a drag-and-drop interface that's both intuitive and incredibly powerful. Spend some time here customizing your layout, colors, and elements to fit the vision you have for your site. Remember, a homepage often serves as the first impression of your website, so make sure it truly captures what your site is about. After you're satisfied with your design, we need to make sure this page is actually set as the home page of your site. To do this, return to your WordPress admin area and find Settings. Click on Reading, which will take you to the page settings. You'll be presented with an option labeled Your Home Page Displays. Here, choose the option A Static Page. This is an important step, because it tells WordPress to display a custom page rather than the default posts on your homepage. From the Homepage drop-down menu, select the page you just created, aptly titled Home. If your website also features a blog, you can choose another page from the Posts page drop-down to serve as your blog's landing area. This keeps your posts organized separately from your static homepage. Finally, and most importantly, don't forget to click Save Changes. This solidifies all the settings you've just configured. So there you have it. Your new homepage is live and ready to welcome visitors. By following these steps, you've harnessed the full potential of Elementor to craft a unique and captivating homepage, ensuring that your audience is met with professionalism and creativity right from the start. Remember, the homepage is just the beginning. Keep exploring Elementor's capabilities to continue enhancing other pages of your site. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.